Kids' electric cars running out of battery can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about kids' electric car battery life, how long they last, what impacts them, and the best ways to make sure your kids can enjoy their rides longer. Hey parents, let's jump right into it. How long do kids' electric cars actually run? And why does it sometimes feel like the battery life isn't living up to expectations? Here's a quick breakdown. For 6V cars, you're looking at about 45 minutes of runtime on average. A 12V car gives you 45 to 60 minutes depending on the model. The top-tier 24V cars typically run for 60 minutes or more. Now, these are the manufacturer's estimates, but in the real world, these times can vary a lot depending on three main factors. 1. Surface type. The surface your child drives on has a massive impact. Smooth surfaces like concrete or asphalt allow for maximum runtime. But if your kid loves off-roading on grass or gravel, you can expect battery life to drop by as much as 30%. Here's a tip. If possible, stick to smooth surfaces when the battery is running low. It's easier on the motor and helps extend playtime. 2. Weight. The more weight the car is carrying, the harder the battery has to work. This includes your child's weight, any extra passengers, or even toys they might pile in the car. Most ride-on cars have a maximum weight limit, so be sure to check that to avoid straining the motor and draining the battery faster. 3. Weather. Believe it or not, extreme weather can affect battery performance. Cold weather, in particular, can reduce how much power the battery can hold. In warmer conditions, batteries tend to perform closer to their peak. Maximizing battery life. Now, let's talk about how you can maximize battery life and keep those wheels turning as long as possible. Charging do's and don'ts. Do charge the battery for the recommended time before first use, usually 8 to 12 hours. This ensures the battery reaches its full capacity. Don't leave the battery on the charger for more than 24 hours. It can overcharge and reduce the battery's lifespan. Always use the charger that comes with the car. Third-party chargers might not provide the right voltage and could damage the battery over time. Charge the battery monthly, even during storage or when the car isn't in use. Batteries that sit idle for too long without charging can lose their ability to hold a charge. Proper usage tips. If you notice the car slowing down, stop using it immediately and recharge the battery. Running a battery until it's completely drained can shorten its lifespan. Avoid uphill driving for extended periods. Climbing uses more power and drains the battery faster. Choosing the right car for your child. Not all kids' electric cars are created equal, and picking the right voltage for your child is crucial. 6V cars. Best for toddlers, aged 1 to 3. These are slower and designed for light, flat surfaces, making them perfect for beginners. 12V cars. Ideal for kids aged 3 to 7. These have more power, can handle slightly rougher terrain, and are great for kids who want a bit more speed. 24V cars. Designed for older kids, ages 6 to 10. These are powerful, can handle most terrains, and are great for more adventurous riders. But don't forget, the build quality of the car matters just as much as the voltage. A high-quality car with durable materials and a reliable motor will give you better performance and battery life compared to cheaper models. For high-quality electric cars with excellent battery life, check out RiiRoo.com. They're the UK's leading supplier of premium ride-on cars, with options for every age group. Their cars are built to last, and their batteries are among the best in the market. Additional tips for parents. Here are a few bonus tips to keep in mind. Invest in a spare battery. If you're planning longer play sessions or family outings, having a fully charged backup battery can save the day. Regularly check the battery connections. Loose wires or connectors can impact performance and reduce runtime. Help them understand that surfaces like grass or sand use more power, so they know what to expect.